Oh, exciting day today. Got a new delivery. I wasn't expecting this yesterday. Got an email yesterday about a new Raspberry Pi being out. So I ordered it. Ooh. Put that away. Better put that away. It'll have privates on it. Look at this. Right, okay. So yeah, there's a new Raspberry Pi Pico come out. Now, this is going to be different, I think, from a standard Raspberry Pi. It's much more the size of an Arduino Nano, something like that. So that's exciting. I mean, I've literally just opened it. I like the way it's in a SMD, a little SMD thing. I bought two. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. As usual with Raspberry Pi, they've given it away on front of on front of one of the magazines. Raspberry Pi Press does it. I think this is Raspberry Pi Press. But yeah, they give away. If you've got a subscription, you quite often get one. So if you subscribe to the paper version of this, you'd get one with it. So I haven't really looked a lot about what it is, but it's not the Raspberry Pi that we know and love. It's a smaller version. But yeah, so that's exciting, isn't it? So what is it? I think it said somewhere. So it's got Python on it. So, well, you program it by Python. So I think what happens is you put this, it's got a USB thing in it. Let's have a look at it. It says it's a dual core, a dual core chip. I think it's all about this chip, to be honest. But this is just, you know, first looks at it. Raspberry Pi Pico. This is the new chip that does a lot. It's got 2 megs in it, apparently, if I remember correctly. And obviously you can't plug a screen directly into this like you could a normal Raspberry Pi. It's not a computer, it's a microcontroller as far as I can understand it. You've got all the pinouts that you're used to, and that's where you can bring the power in from USB, I think, and where you program it. When you push this first into a computer, it connects to a computer as if it's a USB device, and then you drop software onto it, a bit like the microbit, and then once the software's on it, you can then use another IDE to program it from your computer with a tool. But yeah, all that's boot select. It's gone there. Can't tell. It's just got a little LED by the looks of it there. Yeah, so nothing on the back. So that's the new Raspberry Pi Pico. I bought 2 of them. They're about £3 each, I think. I also bought these from Pimoroni, who were the first people to email me about it. So Instabuy. One of these little screens for it was twice as expensive. As one of these, as usually is the case. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Let me open it. I don't want to destroy it. It's so pretty. Let's use a ridiculously over-engineered box cutter or finger cutter. And have a look at this. This isn't really what I was excited about, but I thought, hey, I'm spending postage anyway, so let's get this. So yeah, it's a little RGB screen for it. That's I mean, that's beautifully engineered. I don't know whether that's Pimoroni's own one. But yeah, oh, I mean, you can tell. You rub your finger down the side of the printed circuit board, and it's not like a fast produced Chinese board. It almost feels polished. You're not going to get fiberglass in your fingers by doing that board. How beautiful. All right, yeah, so I'm not going to try programming this or anything yet, but that fits on there. And then you've got a little display screen, so I suppose you could do Arduino style things on this. Look, this has got buttons as well, X, Y, A and B, so they might even be able to make a little program for it. That would be exciting. But yeah, so I will go off and I will read my Python manual, see how to do it. Apparently I have to download something called Funny, which I've never seen before, so I'll play with that. Works on the Mac, which is good, and I'd really like to see people make little games consoles. Well, of course, yes, that is why you're selling a hat like that to go on it. Alright, so hopefully I'll do some more videos about this, but this is the new Raspberry Pi Pico. Cool, eh? Don't forget to subscribe, please. Really helps the algorithm.